Okay, 6.3, the last question, question number 7. Angle Q is greater than angle R, and then they've given us PA is a bisector of angle QPR. Okay, so when you look here, remember, this is the bisector of angle QPA, the whole thing, right? So which means 2 equal half. This is equal to this, right? 2 equal parts, right? Just remember that. And then they also given us PM is perpendicular to QR. Okay, so this is perpendicular to QR, which means this is 90 degree, this side is also 90 degrees, simple as that. And then what we're asked to prove this. Okay, angle APM equals half times angle Q minus R. All right, so write down the write down the given, then write down to prove. And now let's look here. Question is what they've given us that PA is a bisector of angle QPR, right? PA, this is a bisector of angle QPR. Then can I write it as what? APQ. Okay, this APQ, this can I write it half times angle P? We can, right? Because remember, this whole thing is angle P, right? But because of this bisector, this and this become 2 equal parts, right? So APQ means this part. Can I write it half times angle P? We can write it. All right, now let's go to the next, and from here again let us look at in triangle MPQ. So MPQ means this part, right, which I've drawn for us here. And remember, they said perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. Okay, from here we'll try to find angle P. Okay, then can I write it as angle M plus angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. We can write some angles of a triangle, and you can already see angle M is 90 degree. If this side is 90, even this side is 90 degree. All right, so there's just what I'm writing it down. Then angle P plus angle Q. Then this angle P, can we write it as MPQ? We can write it down, right? MPQ. So in place of this P, I'm writing MPQ. This 90 and this angle Q, they're going to the we'll send it to the right hand side, so you can see the minus here, right? So 180 minus 90, we're going to get 90, right? We'll be left with 90 minus Q, or angle MPQ. This MPQ equals 90 minus angle Q. We'll be using them in the next part. Okay, now when you look here, look at angle APQ. Okay, when you look at APQ, right, this whole angle, can you see it is made of two angles? This angle plus this angle, which the triangle that we need I've drawn here. Okay, so if you look here again, APQ, right? APQ, this whole angle is made out of two parts, APM plus MPQ. All right, so there's just what I'm writing it down here. Now if you look at the question, if you go back to the question, you can see that what APM is on the left hand side, right? So that's what we're going to do, right? So when you look here, this APM will be, I'm taking just to the left hand side, but look at your MPQ. Your MPQ is plus, right? If it goes to the other side, it will become minus. Okay, so here you can see that APQ minus MPQ. So just exchanging, all right, and then sending MPQ to the other side. So MPQ will obviously be minus, all right? Then APQ from equation 1, if we go back, equation 1, APQ is what? Half times angle P. Right, so in place of APQ, I've written half times angle P. Same thing, MPQ, we just got it now in equation 2. MPQ is how much? 90 minus angle Q. Right, so from equation 1 and to both of these, we get both of these. All right, then next we'll just change the sign, because here minus is outside, so minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus here. All right, once we're done with that, have a look at this triangle PQR, which I've drawn for us here, right? You can see, because it is 90, when you look at angle 90 and when you look at this triangle PQR, this angle P plus Q plus R should be equal to 180 degree, right? Some angles of a triangle, but 90 is half of 180, right? So in place of this 90, can I write it as half, because it becomes half some angles of triangle PQR. Okay, so 90, I'm writing it down in place of 90, half times angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Once again, we know that some angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, so 90 is half times the sum angles of triangle PQR. Okay, so you can see half times angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Once we're done with that, let's start multiplying. Minus into plus, minus. So I'll have a minus angle P, then again minus into plus, minus half times angle Q, then minus into plus again, minus half times angle R. That is what we get. Okay, now from here, when you look here, this is plus, this is minus, so I can cancel this. Right, now when you look at these two, can you see that this is angle plus angle Q, this is minus half times angle Q, right? So angle Q simply means 1 times angle Q, right? We have 1 here, we have minus half here. That means will half be left or not? And remember, 1 is greater than minus half. Okay, that is why when we subtract these two, we're going to get half times angle Q, and we're left with half times angle R. So which is how we'll get which is how we prove. All right.